1968 Chevrolet C10 regular cab here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Actually a South Dakota truck. According to the previous owner, the engine and transmission have both been rebuilt. 350 small block Chevy V8 underneath the hood right now. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 paired up with that. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the chrome bumper up front, bright work around the headlights. Trim on the grill, hood of course. Look at the luster of that paint. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on steel wheels, Hankook radial tires. And as we walk around this truck, I'm going to go through a whole list of things that have been done in the past couple years on this truck, whether it be service work, parts, what have you. It's a long list, so again, we will talk about it while we walk around the exterior of this truck and you can check it out. All right, some of the things underneath the hood: radiator and hoses, thermostat and water pump, V-belts, carburetor, distributor, plug wires, valve covers, headers, exhaust, multi-layered header gaskets were done at that time, copper collector gaskets, power steering pump and hoses, starter, alternator, battery, and all cables. And that's just some of the list. As we take a look down this passenger side, you can see panels look straight. That paint is even, nice shine to it, matte black painted wood bed. And again, you'll see all this in the still pictures, so take your time looking through those too. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Nice, clean look in that tailgate. All right, B&M 2300 to 2500 stall converter was also done within the last couple of years. Transmission coolant lines, fuel tank and senders, fuel pump, fuel lines, fuel filter, speedo cable, all done within the last couple of years. Drive shaft has been balanced, all ball joints and steering linkage, power steering pump and hoses, full brake service done with the flex lines, steel lines, wheel cylinders, master cylinder, proportioning valve, so brakes are good to go. KYB gas shocks, lowering springs. Those Hankook radios we're talking about are date coded 2025. Exterior chrome, also redone obviously by the look of that front and rear bumper, and a lot of that bright work looking good. And a few things in the interior: stereo, seat belts, floor mat, dash ribbon, seat belts, steering wheel, door latches, window regulators, dash pad, seat cover, and all fluids and bulbs. So you know what? Getting this one turned the key, go have some fun, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, and I will take a picture of this list to make sure I didn't miss anything and put it in with the still pictures. So if you want to see the still pictures, check out that list for yourself, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Chevy trucks, which doesn't matter what year really, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Really get a variety of multiple years. Fun to check out, fun to look at. There's that bench seat. It's kind of a teal vinyl underneath it, hence the seat cover on it, and it's fastened down there nicely. So nice rubber mats, and I should say rubber floor mat throughout the cab. So nice, clean, tidy cab on this thing too. Visors in place. All right, we're going to start this up. Great sounding truck, nice little rumble to it. Radio is working. This thing is always fired right off, mild cam. Tachometer mounted on the column. You can see that is working. Here's the fuel gauge, also working, is coming up there. That makes sense with the new senders and tank and everything. All right, stereo system. So stereo is working. Gauges down below, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Voltmeter, oil pressure, response. Thing will turn some heads. Sounds healthy. Let's check out this engine bay. All right, I'm gonna pause this real quick. Let's get this hood open and then stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road too. All right, underside of the hood looking good. Same as the rest of the truck. There it is. New aluminum radiator. New electric fans. And a lot of those things we just talked about you'll see now. Also HDI ignition back there. You can see the headers. Good looking engine bay. Edelbrock Performer intake manifold, Edelbrock 4-barrel. And again, check out that list of items that were done within the last couple of years in the still pictures. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And this thing sounds good. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist for transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1968 Chevrolet C10. Yellow and black. Black on the interior piece is looking good. We've got gauges by Sunpro mounted below the dash. And an auto gauge tachometer working on the column. Still warming up. Oil pressure about 55 to 60 psi. Comfortable bench seat in this truck. The turn signal indicators are both working. Those are right behind that tachometer. Brakes nice and smooth. Listen to that idle. Idle is the best. This truck.